Mama washing sufuria right here. Hey, Mama, good morning.
Good morning, do you?
You good?
I am fine.
Alright, there's some chicken right there. Anyway guys, my name is Halobebo Official. For those who are new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Halobebo Official. So right now, I'm around at home and new begin started. And first, I want to say thank you everybody. My God bless you for each and everyone who tune in to my channel, watch my videos. So guys, on today's videos are very special, and right now I'm shooting these videos early in the morning. At the same time, I want to thank Almighty God for the gift of life, and I just wake up early in the morning with good health. So I'm taking you to my mom's construction. Actually, today we are doing the setting of the house, day one, for the machine cuts. At the same time, we are doing curing of the water. As we speak right now, my brother is heading this way. Let's go. Let's go and see them. You see, he was fetching water here. Even the borehole have been opened up. So I think on my side, I should go with the small bucket. Oh, let's see. Let's check it out. You know, yeah. I'm supposed to do a small gate here, but or else it's need me to go round. Yeah, sometimes it's good, you know. So let's go. We're gonna do curing, and today I'm wearing this white shirt, Dem Dam Dog. Eh? Okay. So I need to run in Nyabohanse, bring some I think 2 bags of cement for the setting. While they are being setting, I'm gonna bring you know, manipa kwazi ilikuwa huyo tamwagiria, ilikuwa mtoi michanga pembeni. Mnatoa hii mna ushanda alisema msingi siekeo michanga. So hii yote juu mtakuwa mnaweka wheelbarrow na mafundi. My brother, say hello. Well, let a block. You good?
Yeah.
Hey, wagwan. Dem Dam Dog. I'm wearing Dem Dam Dog. White one, red one. I think you should do curing first.
Yeah.
Go once.
When I bring the basket.
Yes. And then the third one, you come with the bucket, the small one, you do curing. So, Daddy, sijui mwita tungeanzima ya kitambo. Sasa juile ni msingi wanajenga, muwapatie mawe safi, sio pia niko na michanga. Achana na hii. Wanza kura mawe kutoka hapa. Yenye imepasuka unaweka chini. I'm telling him today we are doing setting because this one we have been used to step there. So we need a clean one. And like this one have some soil. We need to wipe them because of the accuracy. And this one also just okay. No problem. You know. Somebody is uneka round. Hey, you know their job. They just wake up in the morning. And right now, let me tell you guys one thing. It's good. We wake up in the morning, we do your own thing, and then we finish earlier. You know. So right now it's 7:14 a.m. That's my local time in Africa here. See? So these dirty stones we don't want. So right now we put two stones, and yeah, and also we remove this soil here. We do backfilling, you know. Me, I was thinking the best way is to do backfilling, because we remove this soil here, we throw each and every room before the mason and engineer arrived. And on today's vlog, I will have only one mason here, you know, because on today's work is the setting of the house. I think around going by using one brick all the way, and then by tomorrow you will see a lot of people here, a lot of fundis. When I'm saying fundis, I mean mason. Because setting, it's more hectic. You can't set once and then one touch building. No, you need to set the house, and that's the work for engineer. They're supposed to be here. Mason while setting, taking the measurement, you know. Again, they wanna measure, I don't know, maybe diagonal. I will see, guys, because I'm new. I'm still learning these things. So yeah, that is it. I'm waiting my brother to do what you're calling backfilling. No, curing of the water. Yep. This is my brother, you know, hanging water on the hands. Yeah. So at the same time, you know, he was around at home. He did the exam. So maybe by January he will join Form 2. You know, right now education curriculum have been changed in Kenya. So we have junior secondary school and then the lower, you know. So he's supposed to be in second here, to be in Form 2, you know. Okay. Umeamua ajisombe ndivyo kumetuma agile. Ama ndivyo ndio urudi na maingine. Super drum to be full of water. Why don't you take away that? Or you need to make some exercise? Yeah. Okay, it's your own problem. And I think I'll go to my neighbor looking for this drum to be two. You know, anytime when you came at home, you put water, all right? When it's full of water here, so by tomorrow morning is to push maybe two we fill, you know. Like on tomorrow's videos, we have a lot of fundis here, mason, you know. It's need a lot of water because the work for tomorrow is to mix the sand and cement. We create mortar, people building. Okay? You go. Ama nivu mwagiri. Hey, fanya like irete mara moja before. I wanna do curing, and then I got to bring 2 bags of cement as they keep setting the house. Manipa amenda. At the same time, I give them job here to backfill this room to be full until here, you know. Also, manpower here. Roro. Tema gichore. Hey. And yeah, gave this guy here. Tema gichore Josh. Kena kuhata nege tupu. Piga hizo kona. Yonsi. Moja kwa moja. Okay, koma kindia. Tema wakigoroe. Iwe yote mbakansi. And then you see even here, it's supposed to be backfill. This store, kitchen. Patia Joshua koleo. Yeah. Tibuloko. Maybe 150. Hicho kijakuwa bado sustambazi. Hata kibaki bado. Si una uwezo wa kutupa hata humo. Nisukwene. Ama mifuko miwili. Mzee si umwambie.
Motora hasi. Bloku ikarekora hapo ukazia.
Mifuko miwili. Si utaona. Wadu takuna eka ile shokali. Mifuko miwili natosha. Guys, you know I was coming from hardware, actually in Nyabohanse, and these 2 bags of cement. So because I can't film while, you know, I'm having 100 kg of cement, you know. At the same time, I have the charcoal here for my mama. So you see, and I'm heading this way. So we shall meet at home. And I think right now, Mason have been waiting me. I think Kwan, Mason, and also engineer. I'm rushing home, guys, so we shall meet at home. You know, heading this way. Back to the side.
Yeah, man.
See. Ibigadi virengu bime. Bitoto ako tebi. Pe ichora rakin.
Fatatu.
Okay, guys. For the first time, my bike carrying cement. Dadi unafanya gani? Joshua mora mungu siri hayo. Atikana na kayo. Na marabat. Sambaza. Marabu kotora mo. I'm telling them, you know. Chagara. Yesterday we bought this. Haya ni mengi. Vuta kwenda hapa Joshua. Karatasi tisire mzee. No joke here. Ngome. Watengeneze barabara. You know. So me, I'm happy, guys. Now I had somebody calling me. Let me see. They are mixing cement and sand to create a moat. Kotarava, yomba kuchanganya.
Rudishi vima pili.
Unakiekea broko kidogo kidogo. Usijaze sana. I told you earlier, don't throw soil there. Now, uni magunia simiti waliambiwa jana. Lolo. Sikuna sema eti ni bloku mbili kwa kona. Nimekuramba.
Hapo tunaacha sasa.
Sim. Ya gofara haki. Navy. Yes, fresh. It's like a black pulping paper, you know. Agwan. Naunganishaga.
Fanya hivi. Mbona unaivuta kuja kwako?
Na karatasi ipo tata.
Afrika karatasi ni ngumu.
Si ndio maana tulienda na wewe uchague. Uko unataka nyepesi? Si ndio maana tulienda na uchague. Sije kwetio.
Rudisha.
Sema engineer here. Waliparo kwa anasema eti ni bloku mbili hapa. Mbili huko kazi ishe mwende.
Unajua ile kazi iko hapo.
Roro. Sasa wewe hii room wewe utakuja kuijaza. Kija kushuka.
Tunaweka hapo ni nini? Ili bado tutafunga.
Wapi? Hapa si naweka ukuta.
Mlango kuna mlango.
Mlango?
Hapo style gani?
Tasomba na mando.
Ruto hili kabisa. Nasoma ka ni hanole ni serra hara. Hayo. Rutari. Vuta yana kabisa hapa tutakata hapa. Vuta.
Vuta atakuja kukata mwisho hapa.
Sasa maana tulipata fupi.
Tata kuna karatasi. Sikate fupi mno.
Tata ya huko. Ile itatosha. Ile tuweke hii.
Itasha mweke. Sure. Hii inaenda nje. Vuta karatasi mwa. Tuna karatasi, wataongeza nusu.
Sasa.
Tuna nini?
Tuna ingine.
Ngine na ingine.
Haya.
Nimwaga maji asubuhi.
Na ingine na ingine.
Joshua. Jaza hapo chini hapo. Wankoleke ruchene kono torangikia kwa karatasi. Yasienda kwa karatasi. Tora tua ngora hai.
Hapo baada ya kuweka humo ndani, mchukua unasambaza na jembe. Kila jembe inaweka level nzuri sana.
Ngome chapu kidogo, naona tunakuja. Kuna ulolo.
Ulolo inauma.
Even the engineer will be the front line, showing my people. Chapa ile Josh.
Na kuja nayo na hii. Hapa utaongeza hapa. Kwa kujenga. Unaona kama hapa sasa.
Wanashindilia.
Yaani utakuta yote iko flat.
Lakini hapo yezi shuka, kuna ile floor ilikuaga.
Nashuka.
Kwa ile floor?
Kwa ile floor. Floor iko mbali.
Humu ndani.
Najua.
Si lazima uende huko. Huko.
Wasinda corridor na rawa.
Futi ine.
Na kwa kamera ya mhindi na ukenya. Kuna kitu hapo nataka tufanye. Hapo itakuwa mbali sana. Leta tape.
Amo rakubali mo tape. Datu kwa karibuni.
Now they're mixing. Kwa hivyo mmesema pesa mtagawana na huyu? Yeah. Mimi si ni mtu mmoja. Utamgawia. Yeah. Simiti hanonshira itano. Setting of block.
Changa pia mawe. Lazima mawe ndani.
Sio ndo unashika bloku sasa.
Nataka kutumia mota kubwa. Ndogo. Niongeza hapa mchanga kidogo.
Today is serious.
Tumia mota ndogo, ina maana matofali yanaenda mengi. Ngula ya tali.
Kama sio ya key.
Asi atupige key.
Atapiga plus yake tu. Mataki. Kawaida ndogo.
Wow. Hey.
Shika karatasi pale. No. Awali ujaza sana. Aweka hivi. Unaona joint yako nayo itaka uweke vidole vyako vikibana pale. Hiyo ndio nataka.
Yeah.
Kubali kule.
Hai kareka miata.
Itakubali.
Haitakubali.
Yeah.
Fungua kamba hii.
Torana ni. Tutaweka kwa ile kona ya juu.
Kwanza temporary kwanza.
Hebu nienda nayo.
Kwa sababu tufunge kwenye hii sasa nipita hapa
Fanya nenda nayo kabla hatujafanya mambo mengine mengi. Nenda nayo kwanza alafu usome tofali ili uone. Haikubali. Up. Njoo. Tuweke tofali hapo. Huyu saa tupisha huyo.
Nani?
Huyo anayopakia udongo.
Asonge.
Weka tu template. Weka karatasi hapo na ya kushuka hivi. Sogeza kwako, sogeza. Sogeza ndani. Geuza tofali lako sasa.
You kesho. Inaitwa masonry pump. This stuff, I mean. Now officially you know. Tamwambia nunue mpya.
Aya.
Na sura yangu.
Jasi. Ndio anteri kana wako dai hanu libes.
Njoo na mbele. Okay guys, let's see what's going on here. Nitaitengenezea. Hey, this is our beautiful calf here, baby calf. I'm telling you guys, very cute. Anyway guys, right now I'm heading to my mom's construction to see the progress. Should I go this way or that way? Let me go this way guys. You know, here it could be a small route going to other side, but I blocked them, you know. So far so good. Okay. So let's go and check, you know. And also guys, you'll get surprised. You had that cock after I'm trying to catch them and then they run. So anyway guys, dream come to reality. I can't believe a day like this I could maybe demolish my mama house like this, boom, down, and then start building. Man, now this is machine cut here, and today we start using them one by one, and officially we are doing the setting of the house. This is 1 bag of cement, you know. Hey. You see guys, when I'm standing here, look, hapa tuwezi uonesha, kukionesha utasikia maneno.
Tuonesha.
Vurugu.
Tuonesha wapi?
Tata kazi ya twende. Hey. Also you have the door here. And from this corner to that one, the entire could be a small porch. Up to where you see the tank on the other side. I'll show you when I'll go there, when I'm going inside the compound. Now it's setting. By tomorrow is to raise up the house, maybe to reach here. And I'm thinking, because so far so good, we used 12 bags of cement, clearing 10, setting 2. And I think maybe I will bring 10 to 15 bags, and that's the game it is, you know. Have you seen, guys, 3 string? Look here. Hey, amachomba. I'm telling you. And also because the engineer was the one who set him, and then also the mason. Richie. Hapa kuna kaukuta. Yeah. Chirato roe.
Naam.
I see my mama arrived with the ugali. Hadi yangu nachomeka. Tutaeka. Mama nao lunch is ready. Say hello.
Hello.
Unaonaje nyumba yako?
Ni vizuri.
I'm telling Mama, how do you see your house? Unaona? Today is setting. Say wagwan.
Wawan.
Okay, that's my mama. Let me take the bike from Sun. Umemeza dawa? Say hello. Now you feeling okay? Enda mkule. I'm telling them go with your friend and eat. Nijisurata ufungo sasa. Hata yangu imechomeka jua. Need to take this bike from the Sun. Because realize we misuse our gasolino. The whole bundle. Can't imagine. I'm the first one. I'm totally hungry like a goat. Kuna ulolo.
Serve the food.
When you have maybe a small party, you're a good servant. You can serve 1 million of people. Yeah, boy. Inanitosha man. Mara nafasi keva wote kabisa kikote kwanza. Tuko wachache leo.
Ukiona ratuna na ringiri.
Baba kunyuri amapere. Yeah.
Akonga kachi.
Agata. Sije ngombe moja nendo ichi mbele taoka.
Wewe huru. Sibimena kabisa bisamba.
Okay guys, I'm waiting, you know. Imetosha mimi. Welcome again.
Siku unakaribisha.
Chakula. Welcome again.
Kuna mboga za majani ambazo hazipo hapa Kenya.
I'm telling you that. Matembe.
Sio matembele.
Chinese.
Nataka kufanana na sukuma.
Spinach.
Hapana. Ile ni nzuri vibaya mno. Yaani mkiipata ile.
Ni soro.
Kwa kuwa
Maneno soro.
Kwa kuwa watu wa Kenya wanapenda na mboga za majani. Kama gani?
Wale kama gani? Watu wapige sosa. This ugali is hot, guys. I'm telling you.
Ukiri wako mama.
Guys, I'm telling you, it's raining, and yeah, look. So I wanna wear the gumboots and then go on the other side. Like that. Huh? Look, I'm telling you, man. Hey, it's top. You know. So let's go and see how the progress going, you know. We are pushing like never before, and even right now things are going in good way, you know. Yeah, I just covered my hair. Just a minute, guys, you know. Yeah. Okay, that's your boy, guys. Anyway, let's go. Floyd vibe to the end, and give more like. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about. So guys, yeah, I'm thinking you know, this is my grandma bathroom, and I'm thinking I have the 2 iron sheets, the remaining one, so I can make, you know, a door here, because there's some small kids here playing around with my sister. Sometime came to enjoy my Wi-Fi, so they came and play inside there. Other, you know, touch the sink, which is not in good condition, and you know how kids behave, you know. So but yeah, at the same time I'll push the house, man, like never before. Simiti imekosa mchanga iko. Sana shida. Hey. See guys. So we are doing setting of the house. It's a tough. Aja dapat sakai. Eta merwani bullet. Huh? Now from a handman to the mason.
Yeah, man.
It's easy as long as the mason puts something. Mara wangu kasingi sia yoro. Sipoteze vipimo. Yeah. Kazi ya pole pole tu. Yeah.
Leo hii. Jana alimaliza akanipata.
Pole pole tu ro. Sije kupiga kutu meenda hivi zigezaga. And we need something straight. Say something straight.
Something straight, man.
Corner here.
No corner.
Okay. Hi. Angizota kuna. Huh? Hey. Mangi oyo han. Yeah. Amerika kidogo man. Mwezi wangu.
Umetuvuruga hapa. Ulikuwa nyabo.
Boda. Hata ndio nasa masimiti ningenyeshwa nazo.
Umeleta cement hizi.
Wapi? Ningepita nazo wapi? Kesho asubuhi.
Ulikuwa kwa Sam.
Kwani nimeenda kubadilisha mtungi. Bana ile ya mtandao niliona imechibuka. Yana mashimo. Kama si haya. Wewe mtandao wenye bansi hapo. Walipiga kiafu.
Ni mabaya.
Yale ya Mombasa.
Si ni meusi.
Ni kama haya tu.
Lakini kama haya. Sasa yako muda yamebaki yamekaa hapo ishawahi kuona yamechibuka.
Huko utapita kwa siku moja uone yametopoka.
Sasa pale kwenye mtandao. Yale ni mabaya.
Ile ni reja.
Najua si waliniitaga pale siku moja kuja kufanya marekebisho hapo. Hicho ni chawa. Hapo kamera nikataa chindani.
Hapa ni tachi kizima, una tachi na waka. Unagonga na waka. Ni kama ina sensor ndani.
Kwa hapo. Nenda sasa. After hapo mpaka tuweke hiyo kuta hii.
Unyoshe hii. Unaona ule ukuta unaotoka kule.
Ukuta means the wall. Line of the wall. One man, my people, I'm just over here. Although right now the weather is so, like behaving. I'm with you. Okay, guys. You wanna see your experience with the Chinese cape?
Chinese.
So guys, you try to imagine when I'm standing here, man. Yeah? Look. Huh? Hey. This blessing, guys. Double blessing. I can't complain. Richi yote nicho hadi huko. Hadi hapo. Niko sawa. Iko poa.
Choo inaishia hapa.
Oh, ile sinka.
Sink.
Oh, here we fix the sink.
Choo inaishia hapo.
That's the sink. I'll fix the sink.
Hivyo.
Hapa. Mahali imepatikana ndio na hapa tunaweka pipe.
Shower. Hot and warm. Cold and warm.
Cold and warm.
Yeah. Here. So guys. Hiyo achani na kio.
Kio. Kio kama
si ukitoka chooni lazima
kuwepo na basin.
Basin to wash your hand before you visit the toilet here. You need to wash your hand and then you check your face on the mirror. Where, Rich? Where?
usawa ikiwa hapa na kioo ikawa hapa.
This is the toilet here. You put here the sink, you wash your hand, and then here mirror. Ama Richie, we put here sink to wash your hand and then you brush. Unaweza hata brush meno huku na kioo si ni juu ya ukuta.
Unajua kitu tufanye. Nataka ukate hii. Yeah guys, I think we have the sink here and the mirror. If maybe the visitor come from this room or this room, you wash your eye, your face, you brush your tooth here and then Unaona tukiweka hapa. Ukiweka ka ukuta hapa. Aka. Hii chumba itakuwa imebaki na futi 10 na nusu.
alafu
kanakuja mpaka hapa. Kanakuja mpaka hapa. Mpaka usawa huu. Sasa hapo sink inakuwa hapa. I mean shower inakuwa nyuma hapa. Alafu kioo cha kuosha mikono na nini inakuwa hapa.
And then na yule
si bado inakuwa wazi kwa sababu
utaua hii line.
Hii itabaki hapa hapo. Kiweka hii ina maana mlango wa kufunga kuingia hapa unakuwa hapa. Kwa hiyo huyu anayetoka huko anaweza kaingia hapa na huyu anayetoka huko anaweza kaingia hapa.
Ama what if ukiweka hapa ama itakuwa
karibu na hapa. Hii hapa inakuwa inatosha hapa.
Only sink and then kiweke kwa ukuta.
Sink hapa. Sink ukiweka hapa.
Kana kitu ya kusimama.
Ina maana si sink ya kuosha mikono. Inakuwa inakuja hapa.
Guys, it's good to ask earlier before we go. We move on, we move forward.
Uje ukate huu mchanga wote utoke. Panga liko wapi? Naam. Ndio umeenda. Square umeweka pale. Sasa
bado.
Unajua kwa ndani matofali haya yanazidiana.
Yanazidiana. Sasa kabila yake unataka iwe wapi? Iwe huko.
Kabila yake nataka ikuwe huko.
Sasa hivi niweka ndani. Ndio flash na hapa. Takavuta. Katafute kakatasa hapo huko.
Yo joint.
Joint gani?
Sitaendeleza hiyo ukuta yetu kwenda.
Ukuta.
We have more blocks, guys. More blocks, At this point, no pressure, no nothing. We are pushing, man, like never before. Yeah. When I smile, my entire world also smile. And also my mama smile. Dunia ina smile. When Hello Baby is smiling, all over the world also smile, Look. Hey. Kuna vilipuzi hapo.
Support tafali lako liwe sawa.
Sasa kaya tu hamoe, to seti pale.
Seti na hiyo.
Sasa hizi tu pale. Unajua kesho mkikuja, si tena unaanza kuseti wengine
useme mvua ndio imetuvuka tungemaliza.
Ili hatu sikazie.
Kuja hapa.
Ili hatu joint zikaziwe. Kesho watu watameza simiti. No problem. And guys, I want to say thank you everybody who's supporting me by watching my videos. You watch, guys, till the end, and maybe we can get at least something to buy, maybe sink, shower, you know, one window, things like that. We are pushing. You know. And I'm waiting. My mama anytime will be here. So I want to see her reaction. On today's title, it's go direct to my mom's reaction. How she was reacting on this house, you know. Yeah. I wanna see smiling, you know. Because guys, if you remember, I update you, oh, I'm going to build my mom's dream house. My sister Njo. Yeah, no rain right now, so let me take this cape to Njo nipeleke kofia ndani. Kofia means this cape. Marvin, not cape. These are Marvin, you know. Oh, uchungu sumie hapo. I'm telling my sister, take care. Peleka ndani hiyo. Say hello again. Once more again.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Martha Nyaboni.
Unaweza vaa ukifika pale utunze. Vaa. Vaa tuone. Say wagwan.
Gwagwan man.
Say wagwan man.
Gwagwan man.
No gwagwan. Simama usikie. Say
Wa.
Gwan.
Gwa.
Wagwan.
Gwagwan.
Say wagwan man.
Gwagwan man.
Me there.
Me there.
We try to learn Patois, guys. Sorry, I'm almost fall down. Sometimes we try to learn Patois, you know. And if we are maybe expert in Patois, I know in my Jamaican family, you know that. Teach me on the comment section. Me there means I'm there. Man power say me there. Me there. In Jamaica, in Patois. Patois. They say I'm there. Me there. Me good. Yeah, guys. Me, I'm trying to represent my Jamaican family to Africa. Yeah. Yeah. Mama, she has arrived. Say hello, mom.
Hello.
Yeah, I want to see my mom's reaction. Like, si mama hapa, mom. Stand there. Unajisikiaje?
Vizuri.
How do you feel, mom, when I'm building your house?
Vizuri.
Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, man. That's your smile. Guys, since day one, I see my mama reaction, how she was smiling. I'm changing you from muddy house to this. Man. And mom, you need to make your hair. Why do you have short hair? And also, guys, me, you know, I'm so grateful because it's power. God's power, not my power. Sasa hii mvua ishalaaniwa. Nadisogeza mabloku upatie fundi pale. Borush tu. Chakula iko na kazi yangu inasimama. Hey. I'm telling you guys. Okay, let's push. Guys, it's drizzling, but we are still, you know, moving on. Even may make a mistake to give my sisters my cape, not my cape, my Marvin, man. Look, they're working. freezing, man. Look. Hey, hey. Ibairinan. Tokuri time got two. Nadino? Nirene hatari.
Hapo imebaki hivyo. Kuna mlango itakuwa kwa kuja kwa choo. Wakati sasa ikipita ndio tutatumia mlango.
No, look, drizzling. I'm telling you. Even my mama, she was getting shade right there. See my mama. Hey. Daddy.
Alafu sasa hii itakuwa itakuja mpaka nje.
And also this is the motor here.
Unajua?
Unaleta hiyo karatasi.
Hapa hii si imeenda nje sana au? Na hii broko yako hii. Sawa. Hii iko kwenye line. Wewe weka hapo. Hili jiko. Weka hapo. Nataka ianze hapo. This is glass. This glass. Aidha hii itakuja kuifati. Hii way.
Imagine guys, it's 6:29, close to 6:30 because of rain. So we need to push only corners, and then by tomorrow other fundis will be here. When I'm saying fundis guys, I mean mason will be here, and then the other one will be raise up the house. So here they will be joined by tomorrow. Wita mchanga huo. Kata hii. Kata is to you not to remove this. There. Marengo roro wangu usingisia. Tacha kusali kilimo. Roro. Slowly, don't push. You know, we need something straight. And you can see the house. No. You guys keep praying for me. And if one of you wish to support me with anything about construction material, in terms of cement, steel bar. Right now you're on the process of maybe cement, steel bar, you know. And then here to go around, I think, 40 steel bar for the ring top, you know. And then from that we move for the next step. And I'm telling you, man, we are building Africa brick by brick, step by step. Hata uroro hapa huku kata. Yeah, I'm telling them to chop this, you know, mortar here. Yes, guys, that's how things they are. And okay, and I'm so grateful, man. You know, when the house it reach here, guys, you know, me, I will stop it. So I'll never force the issues while there is where my pocket reach. But I thank God, man, for this. It's by God's grace. And I'm telling you guys, for those people who do building and construction, you know how hectic it is in terms of foundation. Down here, even I mean, like, run out of this project, but I keep pushing and then getting some advice from my engineer here and there, because like, oh, hello baby, you know what, don't put slab the entire house, raise up your house. One day when you find cement, you will, you know, like putting slab each and every room. Yeah, when I'm here, what do you think? Guys, I was shooting the videos. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Ege, unasemaje, bro?
Malaria na konde.
Unaumwa malaria? Kuanzia lini?
Utiko garga wanse.
Sasa unatakeje? Umeenda hospitali?
Tunataka tuneni kuona mtana pesa.
Shingapi?
Kama wewe ngapara.
Sasa malaria, uende kwa hospitali alafu niambie.
Kuna mtana chida sana skuli.
Yeah.
Ani chida ka ukotoka kwa skuli.
Mnasoma ama bado? Kusoma? Strike imeisha? Okay, acha basi nimalize kazi nione kama atakutumia vidonge uende ununue kwa chemist. Haya. Guys, I'm speaking with my brother. I was shooting the videos and then calling me, so I received his call. So he was totally sick, especially they were being attacked by malaria. So I told him when I finish here, I'll send him the money and buy the medicine tablets.
Udumu keno bahari.
Sasa ungeleta hiyo dumu kalileta hapa kwenye toroli.
Ni kidogo tu mzee. Takazia sehemu one touch.
Unaona hiyo mvua?
Amu funiko na mchanga mwingine.
Hapa maji taribika. Nishaweka kwa maji beziko tumeweka kwa mfuko.
So guys, time is going on and we need to finish this space. We go. And I get a chance to send something for my brother to buy medicine. You know, as a good brother and to be a firstborn in my family, sometimes I do help them. The way you help me by watching my videos, I do supporting them, you know. I day like this, my brother, when they've been calling me and I'm sitting maybe somewhere idle, you know. But our family will try, you know, to push day by day like never before. And let me go and show their maze. I think one of these days I'll do a short tour for my brother's maze, and I'll show them how we just work so hard, like crazy, Imagine the entire land that you see here. My brother rent on this land. Land, not rand. You know, sometimes I'm talking too much. My brother, he was the one who rent here on this land, and actually the maize have been doing good. You know, he was really trying best. By the time when university they were being strike, most lecturer in school, or in university or colleges, he came, he plant. During holiday, he plow. When the strike been attended in the university, he came home, he plant and go. And then he came, he dig and go, because most of the students were being outside. And instead of maybe sitting idle, he came and, you know, plant their maize, plow and then go. Look, let me go inside, guys. The day of harvesting is coming close. Look, here, look here, man. Hey, guys, I want to raise these people earlier. You can see even the weather how it's behaving, but they normally come here earlier. And what I'm missing here is some few bags of cement, because honestly, the way you see house have been, you know, done, screeding, setting. We used 12 bags of cement, and I'm trying to figure out how we get 20 bags, and then we push them. Oh, I see my mama here, passing with a couch, guys, right here. Look. Yeah. Okay, mama, you go. Daddy, isikole wash. Sawa, unaziharahara vizuri. I'm telling them you must wash. And it's good after we use the equipment to wash them. Kumbe karatasi sasa itakujimalizie. Hii. Sasa hata ni hii sinapelekwa kwa nyumba, ishamaliza kazi. Bado pale. Bado pale. Katatunzo. Kuna vitu kidogo. Huko. Tata. Piga kabiro tata. Sika mbwire ukimongwe. Tata, kesho utakuja na kamba? Ama unapitiaga direct humu? Yeah. Sasa ukipita bwana kuja na kamba, mafundi msema mtakuwa waine. Sasa kamba 3 tofauti, rangi tofauti. Utakuja kesho utapata pesa yako. So I'm telling them, I know most of the mason, they didn't have this rope here for the strengthening of the house. So I told him by tomorrow he should come with 3 pair of the rope. And I need each and every fundis to have the rope. Like no crank, no rope, sharing, pushing the wall, I don't like. So anyway guys, that's the end of this video. So I want to say thank you so much, and may God bless you, because this is my first video that I'm doing at 12:40 guys, close to 7. This 6:40, not 12, 6:40, close to 7. It's because 6:40. It's because of rain chasing us like 1 hour. All right. Yes. So there's no way you can maybe hide on that.
I can't even buy nyama.
Nyama, I'll pay you man and then you buy meat.
Where?
This fool is complaining. It's
getting late.
It's getting late. Yeah. Afa pweke repeat. Hata kamba zitakaa hivyo tu tata. Hivyo tu. Wewe kesho ukikuja moja kwa moja. So anyway guys, I love you. Ndo hii from my bottom of my heart. Fundi needs the panga.
Nimeacha hapa na kuja kutafuta.
So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart, and maybe if I do something wrong by mistake here, please guys forgive me. We are human beings, and we are in this world to push and to support each other, you know. And sometimes it's good to learn from each other, you know. Like, hello baby, you do something wrong here, you need to be like this. And all comments I replied, man, in good way. So remember, positive vibe always win. So guys, may I love you from my bottom of my heart, and kindly guys, subscribe, comment, share, like, and also guys, please support our Jamaican family. Every day I want to insist that it's because I'm not well in financial way, but my prayers from my heart reach to Jamaica, you know. So guys, bye.